to the Omwellers channel. I'm back, guys. I'm just like my normal house, my real house. Okay, guys. Today is just, I'll show you my night routine. Okay, guys.
I don't know where we're going.
Here's my every stuff.
You did
This is
sometime.
my pet's monkey. Her name is Mrs. Monkey. Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Monkey. You know me. I did the first video in the channel. Omwarga. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to turn notifications. Okay, Mrs. Monkey, just stay here. Okay. First, not that. I'll put that in the special box. No. This is a bracelet. When I give her a birthday purpose. She's already know. I just miss it. I will give her. Thank you. This is a dress. And then the magic box. Magic box. Cooking. Maybe it's not this a magic box. Let's know this. Not this first. Oops. Okay. First is a night. If you want to sleep, just put that on and then sleep. It's just fun. And this is my. This is my shoes for tomorrow. I will show you a vlog of tomorrow. Okay. This is, I just do this like salon. I put them in their toys here. And this is her toy. I love this toy. Okay, I'll take it back. Bye. Okay. She's gone again. Oh, she's right here. Go away. I'm doing a video. Just lay down and do your surgery. Seriously. Oh, yeah. My glasses from out. And what is one, two, three. Ah, my face. There. How many no stop? Just kidding. This is my face. Let's show you your face. I don't have a head because I'm shaved. Look, I just have some hair. Never mind. I have some hair. Look at that. I have so much hair. Okay. Second. Okay. This open on the back. Let's open it up. I colored it with my mom. There's a blankie for her. And this is for the next video. There's two. Double so that. And this is changing. Okay. And some lip balm. I need to put that for my lip to be dry. See? By the way, guys, I'm following this tooth. Okay, I forgot to tell you, this is vitamin C. This is vitamin C to not get sick. You get it every day. This is like gummy bears. I will do a take because I already ate it. Look at this. Actually, there's two colors. I will show you. One is maybe green or yellow. Where's red? I mean, not orange. It's not red. And I just put that. And I get that. I get the next one. Just put that. Okay. This is the two colors. Like it's red, like red and yellow or green. I'm scared to fall into this. Okay. Down here. this is my bag. Here, which hair? Which one I wear? The Hello Kitty one or the bow tie here? I'll wear this one. The whole stuff. Oh, sorry. Where's chips? There's the chips. The whole stuff. Let's eat. I'll have that this in the garbage. Where's garbage? Okay. Come on, guys. I'll take this vlog off. Oh, that's strong. Tomorrow, guys, I will do my morning routine again and yoga. My grandma says, "Hi, you're still watching your latest thing? Say hello to the vlog."
Hi, how are you?
You know what? I tell them the video tomorrow.
What is it?
Oh, Lola, I saw. Lola, you can't. I will show them how to do 2 wheels bicycle training. I don't know how in 2 weeks. Today I will learn. Can you just cover Antoinette?
What is it?
If Antoinette, we can cover her face.
Yeah, I will edit it.
Okay. So guys, we will do a bicycle too. I will just learn in 2 weeks because I don't know first. Only I know training wheels. Wait, guys. Oh, oops, I forgot. I want to spin it like this. Oh, wait. I forgot to type something. Oh, no, not now. I will just close the AC. This. This will be a long vlog, maybe. I mean, vlog. Oh, I will tell my grandma how to put. Lola, you can just do this. Lola, you can just. Oh my God! We don't have some lights.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
don't
but
have
he's
some
making
lights.
silent, you know.
Why silent?
Yeah, silent LS.
Why he's not showing his face?
I don't know.
Maybe. Lola, you can film that?
What is it?
You can film tomorrow?
Yeah.
Of course. Why? Put that right over here. Lola, there's some popcorn. There's some leftover popcorn. Thank you. Look at this popcorn. It's so good, guys. Lola, you're... No. First, I will open this book. Nothing. Come on, dude.
Here's your milk, madam.
Thank you. What you put inside?
Chocolate milk. Chocolates. You said chocolate milk. not yet familiar, la.
Wait a second. Lola? Lola, look. I'll teach you.
Okay.
How we
Learn how to play piano.
wait. Wait. He's here. This is you.
Today I will tell you how to play Happy Birthday song on cassette.
Okay.
Nah. Wait.
Mm. Yeah. Aka,
ABC. This. Yes, it's pressing. No, watch Lola.
Okay.
This way don't go vlog. Look, your eyes is open.
Okay. Wait.
Ah, this
I
one
got-
kid.
Here.
I want this song. You. Wait. How we play? Where are you now? In the piano. Wait. Stop.
Why you're not
Wait.
practicing in your house?
Watch first. I will sing. You are the shadow to my love. Did you feel us? You are the sun. You feel the wind. I say the air, the sun, and the fear. Alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? And then wait, friend.
Which?
You're naked, wanna shine. Take your hands and leave the place in both of mine. You know you stop me up and at the space and bye. Now I dare to see you dance this one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. Blow my eye, let me stop. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. Now I dare to see you dance one more time. They say, dance for me. Oh. Never see anybody. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Here's Sunset. This is Kama. Turn on, catch your Bye.